You know, it was really serendipitous that we found FoundationStereo, which is a stereo depth estimation tool. FoundationStereo is a ready technology that could easily be coupled with Aria Gen 2 for depth sensing.
Importance of depth is something, if you really want to understand the structure of a scene, sort of like where is something really located, not only in the 2D image, but in 3D world when you want to grasp it or so, depth is the key information that you need for that.
So Aria Gen 2 and FoundationStereo work together as a pair. And in working together as a pair, they create a depth sensing system that could not be achieved with either of those components. Aria Gen 2 doesn't have a depth sensor natively on the device, and there are challenges with getting a depth sensor on the device in terms of power consumption and the amount of space it would take up on the device. So having a tool like FoundationStereo paired with Aria Gen 2's computer vision cameras with stereo overlap really enables for a complete depth sensing system.
I think the most exciting thing is that the Meta team has really made the FoundationStereo running real time on live. In the past, FoundationStereo is a pretty heavy model, and the best we can do is just pre-record the data and process the depth offline. But however, once the FoundationStereo can run real time, we can now grab the depth data. That will be very helpful for live tasks, like many other things.
Project Aria is really focused on 3D computer vision, understanding what's going on in the scene, making sense of the scene, doing semantics within the scene, and having 3D data is critical for doing this kind of scene understanding work. And FoundationStereo really allows a greater and richer depth of 3D information for computer vision researchers that are trying to make sense of scenes around them for things like contextual AI, robotics, and more. People can go on projectaria.com and they can download the Aria Gen 2 pilot dataset, and on that dataset, we've computed output using FoundationStereo. So everybody can go right now and download that dataset and inspect the output and understand directly how to utilize FoundationStereo in their research applications. Then they'll be able to go a step further and take FoundationStereo and apply it to their own Aria Gen 2 recordings with some simple modifications and directly have depth output from Aria Gen 2.